Zdraví vás, Eiffel, moje ďalšiu vydá, dámy páni. Dneska si zahrajeme hororovú hru, ktorá sa volá Indigo Park. Teda Indigo Park. Neviem. Videl som to u dosť veľa youtuberov, ktorí točili. Hovorili, že je to proste FNAF kopia Security Bridge. Takže ideme na to. Ok, dámy páni, sme v hre a ideme na to. Indigo Park. Ok, už to ovládam. Ok, dáme... Ok, ideme to si rovnou hrať. New game. Yes. Thank you very much. Takže ideme na to. Ok, máme tu cutscénu.
Journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you. Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime, a place of creativity, joy, and fantasy.
Dúfam, že to nebude FNAF, ako FNAF Security Bridge. Možno aj hej, kamo. To vyzerá úplne jak FNAF, ty vole. Videl som v traileri, že bude nás tam naháňať taký, neviem, vták, čo to bol, a lev. Takže uvidíme, no. Zatiaľ stále cutscéna, zatiaľ som nehral ani tú hru. Len som pozeral... No ani popikutka. Len som to videl tú hru u Agrealusa. Jo, takže keď to chce pozrieť si Agrealusa, choďte na jeho kanál. Takže takto. Myslíte, že vám dám dolu v popisku videa. Také veľké no, viete čo. Ok, už konečne hrajeme. Tá hra vyzerá ako FNAF Security Bridge. Skvelé, ja takéto hry neznášam. Je to úplná kopírka Security Bridge, ty vole. Možno Security Bridge Ruin. Tá... zdravím. Okay. Good.
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park, the world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Rambly the Raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park. Hi, I'm Rambly the Raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you. I don't seem to have your face in our guest list.
Hey.
Is this your first time here at the park, or did you just get plastic surgery? No worries, it's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate.
Okay.
I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Môžem si už konečne zahrať? OK. Je to úplne FNAF, ty vole. OK, našiel som nejakého plišáka. Počkaj, teraz som...
What's the hold up? The gate is open. Head on into the entryway. Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open. There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! you get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini rambly venture. Have fun!
Mám ďalšieho plišaka, to leva. A neviem, potrebujem zapnúť poistky, ale neviem, kde sú. Možno túto?
The Indigo Violet Compact Power Generator. But it seems to be inoperable.
Čo?
Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
Koliesko potrebujeme. Wow. Takto ďaleko som ešte nikdy nešiel v tejto hre. Vyzerá, že sme zapli všetky svetla, yes. A
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
tu je ten vták, čo som vám hovoril. A tu je ten lev. Ale tu je ten. Vyzerá to hrozne.
Oh, Rambly, every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserve areas,
Ja to úplne
charge payments to
hrozne.
your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop.
OK, môžem už konečne si zahrať. Ďakujem, welcome. Thank you very much, ka. Enter... Niečo tam bolo... OK.
Here you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park.
Kámo, to je
Also
úplne
doubles as a
FNAF.
thermometer,
Veď tu je ešte
heart monitor,
tá...
and mood ring. Data disclosure.
Tá hodinka. To je púda kopia FNAF, kámo. Nerobili to náhodou vývojári FNAF.
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked. Why not test out your band and save the day?
OK, aha.
Hooray! Great work, buddy. Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
OK, chápem. Chápem. OK. Kámo. Neviem prečo, ale podľa mňa teraz na mňa niečo vyskočí. A až vyskočím zo stoličky. To bolo divné. Ale za mnou sa zasypalo. To vážne. Komu to... Ty vole, som myslel, že tu niekto stojí. Dobre, to bolo toto.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For the inconvenience, your
Aha,
regular Tuesday
jasne,
discount will
renovuje
be
sa tu.
8% off.
Až moc.
Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
To vážne. Musím nájsť sám východ. Rumblies Road, niečo tam čo? Oh, wow. Niečo tu na mňa...
Your facial data
Čo tam
suggests
bolo?
you may be a bit older than the target audience for this
Ja som to
ride,
videl.
but it's
Ja som
one of
videl
my
tam ruku
favorites.
niekoho.
Do you know why Rambly the raccoon loves Rambley's Railroad? Because I like trains.
Kamu, na mňa som tam videl niekoho ruku. A to sa mi to asi stálo možno, neviem povedať. OK. Kámo, to je kopia úplne všetkého, to vážne je tu Poppy Playtime.
To Rambley's Railroad. I'm Conductor Rambley.
OK.
Oh, look, it's Molly McCaw.
It's Molly McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw!
You sure are, Molly. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, Rambley. I'm barnstorming.
What's barnstorming?
It's crashing with style. It barely hurts at all. Say, those young adventurers you
included with your critter copy.
Je to kopia úplne všetkého, popletaj.
Oh, Finley, come on out and greet the people.
Ty fu.
Hi, Rambly.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me
Yes.
for 100 years, Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always long. You see shelf from my collection.
To je vtipné.
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey, will teach you all about the wonders down under the deep blue sea. It's as blue as me.
Thank you.
I hope you'll visit. I'm so lonely.
Oceanic Odyssey currently closed for repairs.
Dobre. Vidíme sa, kamoš. To je tu hnusné. A už to tu začína. O, to lidi. Sú nejaké... Kámo. Keď teraz za mnou bude utekať ten hlupý vták, tak rozdrvím mu ten... Tu tvár, ty vole, pisám, ale... Poď. Kámo, fuj, ty vole. Fuj! Posral som sa. Skoro.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious,
Tu je ten
the
Leo, čo som
professional
hovoril o
Lloyd
ňom.
Van L. Lion, actor
A tam bol ten vták.
extraordinaire.
A stále živý.
Of course it was. I'm the real.
Prosím, koniec. OK, dámy páni, táto hra je obrovitánska, takže pre prvú epizódu dúfam, že vám to stačilo. Ja viem, nebolo tam skoro absolútne nič, ale verte mi, že táto hra je obrovitánska. Takže aspoň na tie 4-3 epizódy na 1% to bude. Takže uvidíme sa u ďalšej epizódy z Indigo Park, z Minecraftu, alebo iných ďalších epizód, alebo iných ďalších videí. Takže zatiaľ čau!
See you when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.